Well, hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Maintaining hygiene is an essential thing in our everyday life. Good hygiene begins with cleaning your body daily, which would take you next level to a healthy lifestyle. However, you gotta think about your attention on each part of your body. You gotta think about the places like behind our ears or under our nails or armpits. Well, there are some places in which you might not have given equal attention to other parts of the body in cleaning. Bacteria and germs would create an odor when accumulated for a long time, as well as cause health issues. So, here are some of the body parts for which you have to give equal attention while washing. Number 1. Belly button. Most of us would forget about the belly button, which should be given the most care and attention, but it is left unclean. The shape of the belly button is well known, which would make it easy for the bacteria to hide and multiply. Even sweat is also stored inside and builds up as well. So, you have to clean the belly button thoroughly with a small cotton swab, or washcloth, which is being soaked in warm soapy water or alcohol. Number 2. Behind the ears. You might often hear this from your mom, right? Yes, this area would be warm and recessed, which is open for germ and its growth. If it is left unclean, it could produce an unpleasant odor. Number 3. Groin and butt. Whenever you sweat while sleeping, or do not change your workout clothes at once after your session, or when you sit at work all day, you might have a chance to experience butt acne or bacterial infections. When it comes to good hygiene, it is not only cleaning, but also keeping the area free from sweat accumulation. These places would be sensitive, and so you have to be careful with cleaning and shaving, as they are prone to ingrown hairs. Number 4. Tongue. When it comes to dental hygiene, you have to brush your teeth and floss regularly. While you are giving your attention to the teeth, you forget about the tongue. You should remember that your tongue has many ridges and bumps which would hide bacteria and make bad breath. So, you could brush your tongue with your toothbrush or tongue cleaner to ensure your mouth hygiene. Number 5. Under fingernails. While you know the importance of washing your hands, you might have also given your attention to your fingernails. You should also scrub your nails while you are washing your hands, as so many bacteria would shelter under your nails. If you really wish to clean your nails thoroughly, you have to take a cotton ball and soak it with warm and soapy water. This would help eliminate bacteria and debris, and cut your nails short to avert bacteria as well. So, this is all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to watch more informative videos like this, please consider subscribing this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in the next video.